team can score 1,000 million goals is Monaco. So we saw what happened in that season. We arrived with two strikers, arrived with the wingers, and arrived with the fullbacks, and all together, and arrived with 6-7 players. So if you are not able to control more the game, especially avoid the counter-attack, will be so tough. But that's happened when you play against the teams that defend. Mbappé is so fast. Lemar is so fast, and Mendy, Zibide, and everybody is a good player. Sometimes happen, but of course we have to improve because the first goal is a mistake, the second goal again, and but the players, the opponents play, and they have the reason why. So sometimes they score a goal. But today the lesson is we didn't give up, and we were there. We were in some moments lucky, especially in the second half, and we were so unlucky, especially in the first half.